Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video we will be looking at long-time trading strategy for boom and crash, how we can trade boom and crash for a very long time, and of course we will be checking out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can trade boom and crash for a very long time, and of course we will be doing more of analysis in today's video so that we understand how to go about it. Okay, let's head on to the chart right away. Like I always tell you all this while, that it is always important to understand the trend and the direction of the market before you go into the market. And of course your support and resistance zones are also very important. Okay, right here, right from here was the support zone. The market was unable to break below the support zone, so it staggered around there for a while before going up fully to break out from this resistance zone around here. And of course it kept on buying, but got to this resistance zone and still played around there before getting to this particular resistance zone. So it was unable to go beyond this, so it started a downtrend. Okay, and just the way you have known, okay, it does not just go in a particular direction for a very long time. It takes its time. Okay, it will go for a while, pull back, then go again, pull back, and of course that is how it usually works. You can see it's selling till it got to this region. It played around there for a while, pulled back again, and even tried it out again, which made this support zone a verified support zone. Okay, that is very important. You can see it pulling back again. It might get to this region if it breaks out from this current resistance zone. Once it gets to this region, it's unable to break out from there, then it will come back again to try out this support zone again. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, it's still going to sell, but at the moment it needs to pull back in order for it to come back again and try it out. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then it will keep on selling. Okay, it will keep on selling. We should be looking at somewhere here as the next TP. Okay, and it will keep on selling, and might want to have a kind of pullback around here. Okay, but once it breaks out below this, then definitely it will be getting to this and may likely get to this before it will enter trend. Okay, end the trend. Okay, that is how it works. It does not go on a smooth road like that. Okay, it has to be moving forward and backward for a while before it gets to its own destination. Okay, so that is how it works. So you need to understand this. Once you understand this, then you will be able to take advantage, full advantage of the market right from there. Okay, so at the moment it is on its pullback, and of course once it try out this support zone again, it may likely break out from there this time around, and once it breaks out from there, it's going to sell more and get to the next support zone. Okay, now the same thing is what also happened with this crash. Okay, you can see it right from here. It started an uptrend right from this section, and of course we should expect it to have a kind of break around there. It's had a break around here and it pulled back, got back there again, still unable to break out from there successfully. So it pulled back a bit, but this time around it tried it out and it broke out from there, and it has gotten to another landmark. Okay, which is somewhere here. A resistance zone. You can see it around here. Okay, so it has gotten there again, which led to a major pullback again, and of course you can see it it may likely pull back until it gets to somewhere here before it will try it out again. Once it tries it out, it's most likely for it to break out from there. So once it breaks out from there, then definitely the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. Okay, so all these are very important. Once you get it right, you will always make some good amount of profit for yourself at the end of the day. Remember, once you start from this from this support zone, at the beginning of the support zone, you would have made some profit for yourself at that particular point, and even with this it will have given you more profit at this point. Okay, and this pullback will not be anything to you, because you should know that there may likely be a pullback around the resistance zone. So that is why I always want to take my profit before it gets to there. Okay, so that in case the pullback will come in, then definitely I will have been out of the market and not be locked up in the market while we are experiencing a pullback. So you should learn that aspect of it, that okay, you should identify the trend first, okay, then follow the signal that supports the trend, and of course take note of the support and resistance zone. Okay, before you follow the signal that support the trend, you should know if the resistance or support, if it is coming from a resistance zone or a support zone. Okay, so and of course you should know that okay, if the trend is on uptrend and the market is coming from a support zone, you should know that it is the best time for you to buy at that particular point. So you should only follow the buy signal, and that is what we are seeing right here. Okay, that is why the buy signal are going longer than the sell signal. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then you should know that at the resistance zone, then they may likely be a pullback at that point. Okay, and that was what happened around here. Okay, so just where we have seen it right from here. So once you understand all this, then it will help you to keep yourself or your money safe within the market, and of course you will only trade when it is right time for you to trade. Okay, so these are some of the things that you should know. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to go back to the chart. If you're having this trading tool, kindly set up on your chart and do some kind of practice with it. So with this practice, you will be able to perfect your trading skill, because the more you practice, the more you get used to it, and once you are able to perfect your trading skill, then you will be making some good amount of money right from there. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. We'll be stopping right here, but for now, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash again. Okay, so I will be stopping right here, and of course, if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.